So friends, in our last video of business law, we have discussed about what are the essential of a valid contract. Now today's class we are going to discuss about what is an offer and acceptance. So simply offer can be a simple offer or second one is an invitation to an offer. So let's discuss about what is an offer. So here is the definition of an offer. When a person signifies his willingness to another to do or to abstain from doing anything with a view to obtain his assent to such act or abstinence. Now let's discuss what does it mean with the help of an example. Here X is a person who is making an offer to Y and says that will you purchase my house for rupees 50 lakh. Now what X is doing here? X is making an offer to Y to purchase his house for the amount of rupees 50 lakh. Now Y has two options to accept his offer or to reject. Let us suppose that if Y accept his offer to buy his house for rupees 50 lakh, then X become bound to this contract between X and Y, because after accepting this contract by Y, X cannot refuse or deny not to sell his house to Y. Then he have to sell his house to Y for rupees 50 lakh. After accepting this contract by Y, X cannot deny to sell his house to Y. Now read again the definition of offer. When a person signifies his willingness to do or abstain from doing anything. Here X is signifies his willingness. What is his willingness? To sell his house to Y for amount of rupees 50 lakh. When a person signifies his willingness, here X is signifies his willingness to another, to Y, to do, to accept his offer. Here X is making an offer to Y so that Y could accept his offer and purchase his house for amount of rupees 50 lakh. So what does he want? He want his assent. He want Y's assent to accept this offer. So hope you understand what is an offer. When a person signifies his willingness to another to do or abstain from doing anything with a view to obtain his assent to such acts or abstinence. Now in this definition we know to do means X want that he should accept his offer. Let us suppose with another example. Suppose Y has a car of rupees 20 lakh. Now X want to buy that car, but he has only 15 lakh rupees that time. So he is making an offer to Y, if you will not sell this car for rupees 20 lakh, after 1 year I will buy this car at rupees 22 lakh. So what is doing Y here? Y is making an offer to abstain from doing anything, means not to sell his car to anyone for a period of time. So it is abstain from doing anything, means he is refusing or abstaining by to not to sell his car to anyone with a period of time. So hope you understand the meaning of an offer. Now the second topic is invitation to an offer. We have seen lots of price tag lists, quotations, etc. outside the shop. Now, what does it mean? It means the shopkeeper wants, after watching this type of quotation, price list, tag list, you go to that shop and negotiate with this shopkeeper to buy that particular thing with a negotiable amount. Here, shopkeeper is not making an offer to you to buy this product. He is making an invitation to an offer by displaying this type of price tag list out of his shop. Now you will see this type of tag list. Now you will go to his shop to negotiate with him, and he wants this to come customer and negotiate with him to buy a particular thing with a negotiable price. So what it is? It is an invitation to an offer. So guys, this was very simple to understand the meaning of an offer and an invitation to an offer. Thank you so much for watching this video, and subscribe channel for more upcoming videos, and press the bell icon to stay updated.